Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Robinhood Trading's app on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on App Store or Play Store, depending on what device you are on, and simply go ahead and search for Robinhood, just like I'm doing right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application right over here and click on this download icon. Once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and take a little bit of time. It just depends on how fast your internet is, on how fast it's going to be downloaded. As you can see, it's already downloaded on my phone. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on open. And once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here. You can either use or not use Face ID to authenticate. And once you're going to be on this page, you can either log in or sign up depending on whatever you want to. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.